Hello, and welcome to Okarga Farms. I'm Chip Jones, and I want to give you a tour of the home, farm, and garden we've created here in the northeast corner of Oklahoma, just outside of Tulsa. We're located on 16 acres, which was once just farmlands used for planting, and now we have developed it into our home, farm, and gardens. One of the things that we're hoping to do is kind of share our experiences as we learn from the trials and tribulations here of living in the prairie. So I thank you for watching, and I want to remind you to like and subscribe to the Preppy Gardener. That's the channel where we'll be showing so much more in the weeks to come.